Alright guys, I'm doing a review of these organic cherries, frozen cherries that I got at the local grocery store. Check that out, it's actually really neat. Now, you check the ingredients here. Here's the nutrient now. Like that. It's basically just frozen cherries. But the neat thing is, it's been pitted, so basically right there. May contain pits still, but just be aware of that. So let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so that's what they look like, as you can see. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. And taste-wise, they're actually pretty good. I had some already. They taste like just cherries that are frozen. I haven't had, they have no pits, so I just usually thaw them out first. So stay tuned for more videos, guys.